It is summertime, the best time of year after Christmas. It is a time to go out on picnics, have fun with the kids, and if you are in Goa, it is the season of Urrak. However, with all good things, we need to take certain precautions to stay healthy and enjoy ourselves to the maximum at the same time. If you live in the tropics, you will know that the summers can be awfully hot and humid. These are exactly the conditions pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi thrive on. While enjoying ourselves, we can also be so consumed in the moment that we can actually end up overheating. In today's video, my top tips on how to stay healthy and enjoy your summer at the same time. I am Dr. Rohan Fonseca. I am all about having fun, but I also wish to get you to a healthier and fitter version of yourself. Please do consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. Let's get this started. Let's start with the most basic tip. You might have realized we can go without food for a few days or even weeks. But without water, we cannot survive. Ensure to drink more water than you usually do. This is to stave off dehydration. If needed, carry around a bottle of water with you. If you drink water when you are thirsty, that means you are already dehydrated. So program your mind to sip on water way before you are thirsty. Also, all that Urrak you are consuming contains alcohol and is getting you further dehydrated. So do drink a glass of water in between drinks. Avoid the midday sun. This is especially important for the older people. We might not even realize we are getting a heat stroke. Heat stroke occurs when the body cannot regulate its temperature adequately enough. We might feel giddy or get a headache. This may lead to more serious issues. If you do need to go out in the sun, cover yourself with appropriate clothing and sunscreen. I strongly recommend though that you go for a morning walk. This is not only a great cardiovascular exercise but also helps replenishing your stores of vitamin D. Exposure to that hot, direct afternoon sunlight also gives your skin excess exposure to the ultraviolet rays and can also cause sunburns. For the kids, ensure that you schedule their indoor activities around noon. Children can often get carried away in their activities without realizing the heat of the sun or remembering to drink enough water. This will leave them free to go out later in the evening and enjoy themselves when it is more pleasant. Include plenty of watery fruits such as watermelons, cucumbers, tender coconuts, and pineapples into your nutrition. This will help you in your hydration goals for the day and also help replenish the necessary vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes your body is losing through sweating. Foods such as buttermilk, curd, and fresh lime juice are also a great addition as it will have a cooling effect on your body. Avoid eating foods which are not freshly cooked. The hot and humid atmosphere at this time of the year is conducive to the growth of various pathogens. Food that is not fresh provides a great substrate for them to grow. You might have realized that it is at around this time of the year that cases of food poisoning and typhoid increase. As a rule of thumb, pick foods that are warm when eating from outside. Also avoid deep fried foods and oily foods. Have multiple cold showers during the day. This will help your body cool down more efficiently. Although I suggest cold showers, practically remember it is hot outside and the water will be lukewarm at best. I hope that these tips help you have an awesome summer. Please do give me a like if you enjoyed this video and a subscribe would be magnificent. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.